Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Dharmarao. Today we will open a new chapter on injury. The sports person, those who are doing any games and sports, they might have come across injuries. Injury occurs because of lack of proper techniques, overload, or any other reasons. Not only the sports person only get injury, the sedentary persons can also get injury during their day-to-day life in case of any accident or any reason for. So, injury, there is a word, prevention is better than cure. So, our prime focus should be to avoid injury, because once the sports person gets injury, his or her performance decreases. He cannot able to continue his or her training, by which their performance reduces. So, जे आमे इंजुरी विषय रे डिस्कशन करिवा, कारण प्रत्येक मनुष्य जीवन रे केबे ना केबे कौनसी दुर्घटना बा कौनसी कारण रु इंजुरी होता है। तेणु थरे इंजुरी हैला माने जो जगह इंजुरी होता है से जगह को पुनर्बार ताकू एनर्जी लेवल रिगेन करिया पई हमको रिहेबिलिटेशन एक्सरसाइजेस अछि। तेणु आमे आज से विषय टिके आलोकपात करिवा। आसंतु आज आमे विभिन्न इंजुरी मध्यरु केवल एंकल इंजुरी विषय जानिबा। As we all know, if the first aid is very good, then the injury will be healing very fast, and it will also help the sports person to recover faster. Let us watch the ankle injury. The injuries at the muscles called strain, and the injury at the joint is called sprain. So, whenever the sports person gets injury at the ankle joint, it is called ankle sprain. So, how to overcome ankle sprain? Let us watch. For this, we need a crepe bandage, and it should be properly tightened on the ankle joint so that the ankle joint will be in an immovable position. After that, it will heal gradually. So, how to tie the crepe bandage on the ankle sprain if we have that? You have to tie it like this, the crepe bandage, not too much tightly, as per your tolerance. If you will tie it very tightly, then the blood flow will be stopped and the injury will be more. So, this is the procedure. You can tie the crepe bandage. Very smoothly, not too much loose or too much tight. In this way, you have to tie the crepe bandage on the ankle joint. After tying the crepe bandage on the ankle joint, our work is not over. There are lot of things to. Please remember RICE, R-I-C-E, RICE. RICE means R stands for rest. Whenever you are getting any injury, the sportsman should be given rest. R stands for rest. Again, I stand for ice massage. You can put some ice cube in ice bags, or you can apply that on the affected area to get relief from the pain. Because once we are applying the ice on the affected area, it works as a vasoconstriction. The blood flow will not go to the affected area, so the temperature of that area decreases, blood flow also decreases. So the sportsman gets relief from the injury. R stands for rest, as I told. I stands for ice massage. Compression. You can use this type of crepe bandages or any cloth to tie the affected area. And lastly, elevation. You have to elevate that leg which got injured so that blood flow will not be to that area properly, and ice can be put inside a polythene bag or ice packs, and we can apply the ice bag on the affected area. You can have this ice box like this. Whenever you are giving training, it is mandatory to keep some ice in the ice box in case it's requirement. It will be helpful. The ice can be applied again and again after giving some interval to recover from the injury. So, as I told earlier, our aim should be to prevent the injury. We cannot tell injury can occur at any time to anybody. So, if it occurs, then you have to take care of the affected area. If you are watching this video, please like, share, comment, and do not forget to press the bell icon. How is the video? Please comment. Thank you very much for watching.